So here's how those cargo trucks that you always see on the highway work. So this is the back compartment. They load these onto more or less the ships that will ship stuff, because in, I think it was the 1980, someone thought that it would be a lot more simpler, and turns out it was. So they load these off and they put them into those big storage containers on ships. They also have this part. This part works by making it easy to attach this part onto it, making it easy to drag and control. And then the wheels, they just have axles and turbines. This is where these are the gas containers. And this is just generally where the doors are and mirrors.